Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner here at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me show you this 2019 Honda Accord EX. If you're looking for a nice car, I don't mean pickup, SUV, crossover, van, I mean car. Nobody makes a much better car than the Honda Accord. They're legendary for reliability, efficiency, you name it. 1.5 liter, automatic, got the sunroof. It is champagne frost pearl with the ivory interior, power bucket seats, heated seats, remote start, big touchscreen, adaptive cruise. One owner, North Dakota car, bought brand new in Bismarck, clear Carfax, bumper to bumper warranty, passed our 100-point inspection with flying colors. We have warranties that you can upgrade for even longer coverage, good nationwide. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. But just a beautiful car. Nice and clean, nice equipment. Again, it's a North Dakota local car trade. Yeah, heated cloth seats, one of my favorite features. Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com.